by the way, finding the right brokerage is everything.
Yeah.
That's like everything. If you find the right brokerage who trains right, has good producers, has people who'll take you under their wing, you're going to win. Guaranteed almost.
That's a really good point. Starting off, you need to go to a brokerage where they have really good training
100%.
because you'll go through all of your courses and everything. You'll take your exam, but there's still so much to learn in the actual real estate field. I feel like from the courses and everything that we took beforehand, dude, I maybe use like 5% of that. It's
community property and survivorship property and
riparian rights. It's like rights near the waterways.
Yeah.
And, like we don't use that stuff.
Yeah.
So I mean, kind of like you said, you need to go to a brokerage that has really good agent training for new agents, just to help you get to where you want to be.
100%.
So,
and listen to this. Let's just say that you went to a brokerage, right? That's a good brokerage. And Ben's there. And you're taking the advice that we're sharing right now, and you see Ben, and you see he's busy, and you see he's got a lot of business.
Yeah.
So you go to Ben and say, hey, Ben, I'll do your open houses for free. Hey, Ben, I'm willing to open doors for free. Hey, Ben, I'm willing to draft leases for free, right? I don't want any money. And that's how you're going to give free value to him, and you're going to have you give me somewhat business, which will lead to a better relationship with us.
Absolutely.
You'll trust me more. Maybe on that lease that you made $2,000, you throw me 500. Maybe on that open house that you sold a house on, you're like, hey, Karam, here's 1,000. Maybe I find a buyer in that open house, just like you said.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So I would.
Then both of us win because you're the listing agent
and let's
they
say
can be the buyer's agent.
100%. And let's say right now you're winning and you're doing great, and someone came to you who's a young hustler and said, I'll do this for free, this for free, this for free, giving you value.
Right.
And you said, let me test them for a week, and you're giving them things to do, and they help you a ton. What are you going to do? You're going to run with them.
Sure.
You're going to bring them on the team.
Yeah.
You're going to give them more business.
Yeah.
You're going to stick with them. So for a real estate agent who's new, find the right brokerage. Go put yourself under a top producer's wing. Hopefully that they realize you're a hustler and you're giving them value. And then what Ben said is the open houses is key, Saturday and Sunday. From that, you'll make contact. From that, you'll be able to do potentially finding a buyer, and the list goes on. And then social media, which you're king of. You know exactly how to do that, house tours and stuff.
Thanks.
You have to. No problem. So that's right there. Gems if you're able to take that for being a real estate.